early on has no answers for this Rams front.
Second and long, four-man rush. Prescott gets rid of it over the middle. CeeDee Lamb, nice catch and move. Lamb turns on the speed to the outside and a first down. They need 6. Four-man rush. This time block, far side of the field, and it's caught for a first down. Brandon Cooks has.
Yeah, here we go.
Prescott going end zone, caught for the touchdown, Ferguson.
Great matchup. You see 56 Christian Roseboom. He's the Mike linebacker. 2 high safeties. Ferguson's just going to run right by him, and this is a big-time ball. It's a one-handed stab there by Ferguson within this system.
Sun coming, set up a screen to Henderson. Henderson won't minute beat, he beats him. Good swim move. First down, Darrell Henderson out across the 40. Puka Nacua in motion on the fake. Stafford has it blocked up in stride. Perfect throw. Stafford, a lot of time. Now going for Nacua, catches it in stride for a first down. Stafford coming the other way for Cobb, and he's tackled right away. And that kick is up and good. Bad call at the end of the Pittsburgh game, so I'm sure they're still hot on that. Meanwhile, Cowboys up 7-3. Oh, beauty from Prescott in stride to CeeDee Lamb out across the 40. CeeDee Lamb, jet sweep, has a block. Lamb inside the 40 and a first down.
He can get to a different call. That's the ultimate level of quarterback control.
Third down, pressure on Prescott. He's in trouble here, and he's sacked again by Aaron Donald. His second of the game. Yeah, it's a long field goal, 58-yard attempt for Brandon Aubrey here. This would be his season long. Kick is up, got the distance, right down the middle. Cowboys bring pressure. Stafford sees it, fires one, intercepted. It's another pick six. Deron Bland has his 3rd of the year.
Have been pretty remarkable. Just a little option route by Cooper Kupp. I'm not sure if there's confusion or if he just throws that ball, but he's not under pressure. He throws that ball about 5 yards inside of Cooper Kupp, and that's about as easy.
Well, the Rams start off the second quarter with a 2nd and 14 here, and they're going to hand it off to Freeman. It's got a gaping hole right up the middle, and Freeman out across the 30 to the 32. They'll put him out.
Playing from behind as the Rams find themselves. Not ideal in passing situations.
Like this one, and Stafford is sacked. There it is, that pass rush, and it's Micah Parsons. Ethan Evans punted away. Pressure coming, and it's blocked. Sam Williams blocked it. It's out of the end zone. Sam Williams came flying in. They'll get a safety out of it. And the Cowboys are flying right now.
Lawrence Armstrong, number 92. He puts so much stress. He's a 280-pound defensive lineman. Look at the stress he creates in the middle. The personal protector, Ben Skoranek, has no choice but to step up and help the center. And now he's not there to clean up Williams, who just runs right by Hoyt for the block.
Lawrence Armstrong with the pressure too. He blocked the punt against the Rams last year in LA. So back-to-back years they've blocked punts against them. Here is Turpin making moves. Uh-oh! Turpin staying in bounds, and he's finally knocked out inside the 20. Here's Prescott. Over the middle, fires, caught, CeeDee Lamb, touchdown, Dallas.
Watch this little shake. They call it a rocker step. You always want to lean into the foot you're going to cut with, so he leans into the left foot, allows him to cross leverage on Kendrick, and that ball is put.
Cowboys have everybody on the line. It's blocked, though. Stafford looking for Atwell, incomplete. After their playoff wildcard victory last year. Here are the Cowboys up big early. Have it again. Get it back to Ferguson with the touchdown earlier. And Jake Ferguson works his way out.
Here we go.
Rams come with two blitzers. Prescott against it. Oh, Lamb, great catch. In stride. First down and more. Third down. Dowdle picks up the blitz. Come back to Turpin, who walks for a first down as a little Deion Sutter step.
You're not having so many drives that end down there inside the 20 because you can score from a ways out.
Pressure on Prescott underneath. Oh, good catch, Jake Ferguson. First down inside the 10, first and goal. 3 catches, 42 yards for Ferguson now in the touchdown. Ninth play of the drive. Prescott over the middle in traffic, and it's intercepted. Jordan Fuller's got it for the Rams, and he slides down around the 20. Boy, did they need that. 4-man rush. Stafford still in trouble. Pressure, dropped, ball is out. Dallas has it if it's a fumble, and they're saying that it is.
Well, we've seen Micah Parsons line up.
on the field is a fumble recovered by Dallas. First down.
Yeah, I think they're going to go back and take a look at this. But you're going to see he's lined up on the right guard, Kevin Dotson. We've seen him beat the center, Shelton. Now he beats Dotson. Let's take a look. The key is, as his hand is going forward, does he still have control of the ball? I think it's close. His hand's definitely going forward. I'd love to see what Dean thinks. He's made his presence felt, huh?
Here's the fake from Prescott. Gets it outside to Schoonmaker, the rookie tight end. Just his second catch of the year.
Here we go.
Yeah, it will be. And considering, here's Prescott back to throw. Quick hitter over the middle. Lamb in traffic. Makes the catch. Still on his feet. Down inside the 20. 3rd and 8. 4-man rush. Prescott escapes. Rolling, looking, throwing. Caught for the touchdown. Guess who?
Prescott's ability to move and buy time. You're going to see they get beat on the left side. The pressure comes off his left pretty quick, and his ability to buy time. But take a look at the safety coming off his spot. Just stay.
Just like that. Here is Stafford coming near side. There's Cooper Kupp who has the catch. And Kupp, he's got 125 receiving yards in 5 straight games. No one's ever done it 6. Stafford back, rifles over the middle. It's caught 2-2. Atwell on a dart from Stafford. Down inside the Dallas 40. That'll be a first down, in the Rams run it again. Freeman, little stutter up the middle, has a first down inside the 15. Set it out to Nakua, looking for a screen. Nakua breaks the initial tackle.
With one timeout, they can run the ball.
And they will. Freeman surging forward, and he is in. Touchdown, Rams. And they're going to go for 2 here.
Kind of went over it. Some soft pockets in here. Rams are able to get just enough push and finish with a touchdown. Listen, it's been a tough go. There's no way to...
Stafford to throw it. Can't find anyone. Now in trouble. Now just slings it sidearm incomplete. Pressure there from DeMarcus Lawrence.
He's been doing it for a long time. He's as tough as they come.
Pressure again. They set up a screen. This has room to roll. Henderson has a block. Now cuts it back inside the 40, and a big gainer. They've done that so far, but the Rams trying to get back in it, EA. Here is Freeman on the pitch. Looking to get upfield. Breaks a tackle, still going. That's a great run by Freeman.
We got 4 receivers here eligible on the right side.
Stafford has time. Guns it over the middle. It is caught. Skoranek in for the touchdown. Ben Skoranek, who just came in when Nakua went out for a breather. He scores. And the Rams trying to get back in this game.
You can see Ben Skoranek, he's working in the number 3 position against Jordan Lewis, and he just runs a simple dig route, man coverage. Looks like Stafford's having no ill effects of that thumb, and he puts that ball right on the numbers. And
Nakua in motion, give it to him. A little reverse. Atwell throws it to Stafford, diving for the end zone, and he's in.
When he threw it.
Bad thumb on a trick play. Stafford diving to the ground. It somehow stays on it. Here's Prescott for the first time this half. With Pollard, big hole on the right side. Stunt coming from the Rams. Prescott in trouble. Escapes. Room to run. Across the 50, and he's got a first down. Pollard lines up as a wide receiver, top of your screen. Prescott on 3rd and long, coming near side. Lamb makes the catch. Reaching, he's not going to get it.
Here we go.
Prescott to throw. Pressure over the middle. It's caught by Cooks for a first down.
Here we go.
A little pitch. Pollard gets around the edge. Cuts up the field. Pollard has a first down inside the 20. It's a 9-minute drive. 3rd down and 6. Prescott sets up a middle screen. Bounces off of Pollard. Recovers. And then gets taken down inside the 10.
We'll find out if Matthew Stafford's day is done.
Here's Aubrey from 27 yards out. That's up and good. That's cake for him. He had a 58-yarder earlier in the game. 4th and 2 for the Rams. With Rippon in there for the injured Stafford. Gets it to Nacua, who's got a seam of blockers. Breaks the tackle. Puka Nacua out across the 45. 3rd and 11. Rippon fires near side. Henderson makes a catch. Shoulder down. Good strong run. And now at least a salvageable 4th down. It'll be a 4th down and 2. 4th and 2. Blitz is coming. Rippon fires to nowhere. 3 touchdowns, 22 of 28, 250 yards. CeeDee Lamb, a career high in receptions. That'll give you an idea. Prescott looking for more, and Lamb, a poster over.
Yeah, here we go.
Prescott launching, end zone, has a man. Caught, touchdown, Brandon Cooks. A 4-touchdown day for Dak Prescott.
The concern and noise around this Dallas Cowboys offense, and Brandon Cooks, these last couple games, he has made impact play after impact play. Here he just gets a Killer Witherspoon on a little stutter go route. And
3rd and 6. 4-man rush. Rippon, Cup, low, incomplete.
Derrick Henry.
Here we go. What's this?
There you go.
You want to sit number 11 down.
Rippon on the fake. Coming near side. Tyler Higbee's got it. He's got another first down. Gets decked out of bounds by Gilmore.
Quarterbacks are not willing to take sacks against this group.
Oh my goodness. Freeman just got roped down. Made a 33-yarder in his NFL debut. This one a little longer. 47, and that is drilled. Whoa. Made a 33-yarder in his NFL debut. This one a little longer, 47, and that is drilled. Whoa.
Different markets, and we hope it goes to a lot of good.
So well done. Here's Rush. Going to air it out for Turpin. Little underthrown. Yeah, they're looking for their 11th straight win at home. They've been great here. And Rippon in trouble. Down he goes. 2nd sack of the day. Dorrance Armstrong. Dallas does the old Tom Landry. Take a knee, and that'll be that. Now, they have been great at home. 11 straight. Mike McCarthy, Sean McVay hug.